Looking forward in our sediment practice, we continue to have a lot of opportunities, and a lot of these are large-scale projects. And when we look in the Northeast, from New England down through New York and New Jersey, we are really a go-to provider. We are working on some of the largest sediment projects that exist, contaminated sediment projects that exist in this area. And there's multiple other ones that are on the horizon here that are either just being listed by EPA or that are now state-led sites. We've grown our resources internally and also expanded our technical area of expertise for this type of work. For these large sites throughout the Northeast and frankly the country, we have worked at all phases of these projects now. We've started at the initial investigation, risk assessments, developing conceptual site models, going through alternatives analysis or feasibility studies, depending on what regulatory program they're in. We've carried through the remedial designs. Sometimes we'll do those as a standalone company. Other times, if there's a niche company or someone we want to leverage from their strengths versus our weaknesses, we'll team through the design. And we have now carried many of these projects through the construction phase. In the design, we're engineer of record. And then when we get to construction, we're doing construction quality assurance. We're doing construction supervision, construction oversight. And in some cases, we'll even do construction management. There's multiple reasons to choose Geosyntec over others. I think one of the areas that we've found a niche in is also working for PRP groups, where we need to provide a really unbiased, straightforward solution. In many of these larger projects, there's multiple stakeholders that have multiple or differing opinions on where things should go. And Geosyntec has, I think, a keen experience on how to manage and get to consensus and get to decisions to move projects forward that have these multiple stakeholders and drivers on them. And these may be clients, they may be regulators where you're working with both federal and state agencies, but the goal is to move the project forward and get to an end solution. And that's what we've been able to do on many projects in the past couple of years.